Okay, guys, so we're downtown, these tiny little streets, and if you look up and down the street, there's nobody. It's just, but there's people around. They're just, what? They got happy hour oyster specials? We're definitely doing that.
So that's like 75 cents an oyster.
Great, 75 cents an oyster. Where are we going now? What's this called? This is the New Orleans Creole Cookery seafood. This supposed to have jambalaya, this supposed to have gumbo, and probably there's got to be alligator somewhere on that menu.
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
You're about to get some good.
Yeah,
Good.
There's the menus right here.
Oh, you have a. Do they have it up close inside?
I'm sure they do.
Yeah.
Got gumbo. Cool. Okay, guys, just got our table outside. It's a nice night out. Give you a little show around. Let me stand up and show 360. So you got it indoors over there. Then you got a little fountain over here. So we're out and about. Beautiful. And then you got I don't know what that is up there. Upstairs. I'm not sure. Okay, guys, here's starters. Cajun Calamari. Crab Napoleon. Crab stuffed mushrooms. Fried pickles. Gator bites. Hush puppies. Let's take a look.
How do you do that? Okay, so that's not working. How do you scan a QR code on the phone?
Pull up your QR reader.
There we go.
How do you search for QR?
You do your regular camera for QR codes.
But I have a QR reader.
No, your camera doesn't have.
Oh, does it really?
You don't need a QR reader. Hold on, guys. Tammy's trying to scan this QR code so you get the whole menu. So if you do hold your QR code up to that, it's supposed to give you what?
The whole menu.
The whole menu. Okay, it looks like the jambalaya just arrived. This is a side of jambalaya, and this is a bowl of, is there gumbo, right?
Yes, chicken and sausage gumbo.
Chicken and sausage gumbo. Look at the steam coming off. We're waiting on some gator bites and some oysters, and there you go. It's all lit up permanently now. So this is,
I'm sorry.
what is this again? This one?
This is the char grill.
Oh, the char grilled oysters, right?
Oysters, correct.
That's right. Oh my gosh, I've never had anything like this.
They're really good.
And
This
then
is
what's
the gator bites. So it's not the gator tail cut up and then breaded, but it's made into a sausage.
Oh, yeah, cool. All right, we're gonna have some alligators, some oysters. Oh, this is all beautiful for our first night. All right, you want to go ahead? You try it first. Forgive the light in your eyes. How's the dip that came with it? Is that remoulade? What is it, remoulade or?
It's almost like a spicy mustard.
Really? I think isn't that remoulade stuff?
No.
Oh,
No.
You know what that tastes like, right?
Yeah, that is
All
nice,
right.
but that's actually really good.
Okay, so Tammy's gonna try the jambalaya, and then we'll all. What are you doing?
Well, there's.
Stop digging.
Well, I
Just
gotta
try it. Wait, you're trying to grab the shrimp, aren't you?
No, sausage.
How is it?
Good.
It's good.
It's good. Really dry.
Yeah, it looks a little on the dry side.
A strong tomato flavor.
Right.
Sausage is dry. So it's just dry. I don't know if it's because it's the end of the night.
Well, they're closing the kitchen, in the next hour, let's say.
Yeah, so I don't know if that's fair or if that's how it really is.
Wait. You know what my belief is?
It should be
if
the
you're
same no
serving,
matter what.
if you're serving food to the public, it should never change because of the time of day.
Well, here's what I think we do. I think we look at the reviews. And if we see that complaint in the reviews, then we just know that's how it is.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Right. So absolutely, that's what I say.
So
we
we'll
do.
give them a recap at the end on whether people are saying it's dry or not.
That's right. I think that's absolutely
That's cool.
okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so what are you trying?
You want me to film or do you want to film?
I got it.
I'm gonna try the. I will try the. I'll try the oyster.
Yeah.
Dude, grab one.
That's nasty.
Hold on. Ready?
You gonna do it raw, no Tabasco?
It's burning hot. Wait a minute. You're right. I gotta put my lemon juice on there. Huh?
Amanda's gonna say something to you if you do it raw.
Oh, Amanda's gonna rip me a new one.
Wait, who's
Got
Amanda?
it. Oh well, Amanda just got introduced to oysters, and I told her I never do it without Tabasco. Right there. Which, by the way, how far is the Tabasco plant?
About 2 hours.
I probably won't go there, but about 2 hours away from New Orleans is the Tabasco plant, and they'll give you samples and all that. You gotta put your drips on there. There you go. I'm gonna start coughing, but here we go. Down the hatch.
Yeah.
What did I tell you? These things are so good.
Got a little lemon
Your
seed.
tongue beat the roof of your mouth.
Wow. These are charred. My hand's burning. Sorry.
Oh, and Paul uses a fork. He cheats.
All right. Here we go.
I do. Really good.
Ready? Let's try the jambalaya. Got a nice seasoning to it, nice flavor to it. But I see what you're saying on the dry side. Just gumbo real quick. Try a little bit of that. Bring it over to me. Here we go. Well, it is the first place, but it is really good. So give it a try. Let me know you that.
Just for anybody who wants to say comments about spoons, this is a whole completely new clean spoon.
Here's the other one.
See?
Oh,
Alright.
so we're my slobbery spoon.
I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything in there. Hey, look.
Remember, get back into critique mode.
I'll eat it, but like somebody said, it's not going to win an award.
Anything else? No, we're enjoying this. Thank you. Yeah, we're good.
It's definitely not going to win an award.
right.
It's missing something. It's flat. You know, when you're listening to some music and you think it's gonna have this crescendo to it, you think it's gonna like have this total climax, but it doesn't. It just goes flat.
Right.
That's how I would consider this. It went like this and it went flat.
And leveled out.
Absolutely.
It didn't go as high as it should have, flavor-wise.
Right. No. I'm gonna take another bite. I just want to make sure, but it's missing something.
I kind of agree with that, but I'm enjoying it. I wouldn't turn it away. I wouldn't say it's awful. I wouldn't send it back. It's not a hateful flavor. It's just not all the flavor we expected inside the gumbo.
It's definitely missing something.
Yeah. Like a black pepper.
Like what?
Black pepper. It's missing a harsh.
It's something very important is missing. I don't know what it is yet.
Right. I don't
We'll
know.
figure it out
We'll
tomorrow.
know. Yeah, we'll know as we taste other people's gumbos.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool. All right, cool. Okay, so I just did a review with Tammy the other day, and the best thing of the meal was the celery that came with the food, like on the side of the wings or something, I think it was, right? So it was the most amazing celery. It's so funny how something comes out of the whole meal, and something just popped out at you. What do you like that you want to talk about?
Okay, so when they make these char grilled oysters, they put a lot of butter in them and seasoning, right? And then, as you can see it on there, but the bread They do the same thing with the bread. So I think it's like a French bread, right?
Uh-huh.
Try it.
Serious?
Yeah, I just want you to try it real quick.
All right. I wouldn't think that would be so phenomenally amazing.
You're about the experience.
All right. Did we get a whole piece or?
Yeah,
There was 3 pieces.
Oh, there's 3 of them? Okay.
Yeah.
So this was mine?
Yep.
Yeah.
This was mine. All right, you ready? Wow. It has flavor upon flavor.
I'm telling you, it's this thing.
That butter. Wow. That's got to be clarified butter. That's how good it tastes.
Yeah, it's this thing. It's like anywhere you get these, you're gonna get the bread. It's just part of it, and it's just like it's the cherry on top of what you get.
Wow. Okay, I just got to mention. So when Paul's putting Tabasco sauce in the gumbo, as much as I like the gumbo, it's obviously lacking.
Well, I'm gonna put either Louisiana hot sauce or Tabasco with it.
Right.
Into everything, right? Because
Right.
I like it.
But it's like putting ketchup on your steak. Your gumbo should be so good, you should not need.
Well,
to
I
put
want
Tabasco
some
on.
heat. I think that's one of the things this is missing. Is
That's what I'm thinking.
it's missing?
Well,
Well,
it's
the
a-
heat is just putting something in there. So look, when it comes to like Louisiana hot sauce or Tabasco, it's like ranch. I just need something to put it on so I don't look weird for consuming it straight. Right?
I gotcha.
Yeah. So this, it's missing something. I'm to say I'm disappointed in this would be an understatement. It's like, how do you put this out? There's something seriously fundamentally missing out of this.
I know. I'm missing the kick at the end. There's a little spice kick at the
zero
end.
wow factor to it
Right.
at all. It's,
I
it's
gotcha.
like
All right, so we're alone. Nobody's out here. So what would you give this place a grade? It's tough because there were so many highs and lows. I mean, not lows, but
I'm gonna give the Char grilled oysters a solid 10.
But like as
They're that good.
right as a whole though, as a whole place.
No, but he's gonna give you it after it's done.
All right, go ahead.
The gumbo, seriously, I'm gonna give it a 4. The jambalaya is a 1. It's a 1. It's offensive.
It's a bowl of rice.
It's so dry. That
Did you get any?
chipped it too.
Did you get any shrimp? I finished it, and
No, there was no shrimp
There
in
was
there.
no
We got
shrimp in
chicken
it.
and sausage.
Oh, did you get any meat?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
there's very little meat in that thing.
In fact, I wouldn't want shrimp in it. If it's that dry, that means that's gonna be chewing cardboard shrimp.
Right.
Right? The gator sausage was good. It was good. I honestly would eat this at home. I'd be completely
See, I
okay
totally
with it.
disagree with you with that. I
Really?
didn't care for the gator sausage. I didn't like it. It tastes like pork sausage to me. There was nothing. Oh yeah, throw it in there, sure.
Maybe.
No, but-
we may have just figured out the problem. Let's explore this.
All right. So, what do you think? What grade would you give this?
I don't know. I don't even know where to start because it's all new to me. So don't get me in the ball.
Don't get you
Don't-
involved.
don't get-
All right. So, bottom line is, I'm talking honestly. I didn't like the jambalaya. I didn't like the gator bites at all. I thought they didn't even taste like gator. It was a sausage made from gators, supposedly. Yeah. So anyway, love the oysters, love the bread. The gumbo was good. It was a little bit better than I thought. It was a little bit better than Paul's saying. So yeah, I give this place like a 79%. I do a C plus, or yeah, C plus. That's what I'm giving it.